Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can easily convert any of your file into a PDF. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to convert any of your files into a PDF, it's actually so easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search for this. And after searching, you will then be able to see this website, which is where we can convert any of our files into a PDF. So just go and click it. And then you will now be on the website. So to convert your file into a PDF on this website, just click this Convert PDF option at the top. And after that, you will now be able to see different options of file conversion right here. So on the left side, you will have the options to convert your file into a PDF. For example, you can turn Word documents or PowerPoint into a PDF file. While on the left side is the opposite. You can convert a PDF into other file types, so just choose what fits your needs. But since this video is about converting your files into a PDF, we will focus on this. So right here, you just need to select the file type that you want to convert into a PDF. In my case, I want to convert my MS Word into a PDF, so this is what I will select. And then just click this button to import the file you want to convert. And after clicking it, will now be directed to your File Explorer, so just find the file you want to convert and then select it. Once you've selected the file, you can now click the Open button to import it to the website. And after importing the file, you can now click this button to start converting it into a PDF. And then the conversion process will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, there it is guys. You can now click the download button to download the converted PDF version of your file. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now successfully turned your file into a PDF just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.